From here we want to install our RAM, and as you can see it's got a little notch here so that you can only install it in one direction to match up with the notch in the motherboard, and then push down on either side. And then they snap right into place. I've got two of them, so that's one. Gonna double the RAM here. Same deal. Pop open that little lever on the sides. Open up the space, make sure you're oriented the right way. Begin to drop it into place. And give it a little suggestion and it'll pop right into place. That's all there is to the RAM. Nice and easy.